Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we are going to solve question number 1 of weekly contest 458. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with this problem, process string with special operations 1. Okay, you are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters and the special characters. Okay, we have to build a new string result by processing string S according to the following rules from left to right. Okay, done. If the letter is a lowercase English letter, then we have to append it to the result. Okay, A star removes the last character from the result if it exists. Okay, A, this hashtag symbol, okay, it duplicates the current result and appends it to itself. Okay, and this percent symbol, okay, it reverses the current result. We have to return the final string result after processing all the characters in S. Okay, so now let's understand this problem statement with an example here. So this is string S. Okay, we have to form a new string result. Okay, so here we have to iterate from left to right. Okay, A, so A simply means append it to the result. Okay, so here I'm appending A. Then hashtag, okay, this symbol, it duplicates the current result and appends to itself. Okay, current result is nothing but A, so A, I'm adding A to itself. Okay, I'm getting AA. Okay, then B, so B simply we have to append. Okay, then this hashtag, okay, this star. Okay, so what does this star do? Okay, star, this percent symbol, a percent symbol reverses the current result. Okay, so we have to reverse it. So what we are going to get, we are going to get B, A and A. Okay, done. All right, and then we have star. Okay, this is percent, then we have star. Okay, now star is going to remove the last character from the result. Okay, so yes, this length is 3, right? So there are some characters in the result, so we have to remove the last character. Okay, we have to remove this. Okay, so in the end what we are left with, we are left with the BA, right? So this BA is nothing but my output. Done, clear? Now see this example number 2. S is equal to Z. Okay, Z, then star removes the last character, so just remove it. Then hash tag, it duplicates the current result. Okay, so empty only, so that's it. Okay, so here if you see the constants, so s dot length 1 to 20, and S consists of only lowercase English letters and special characters. Okay, so very easy, right? This problem is very easy. I'm not going to say of medium level. Okay, so you can simply use if else. Okay, so you have to iterate from left to right and simply use, you can use if. Okay, if the current character is this, then this will happen. Okay, create one string builder. If the current character is this, then do this. If the current character is this, then do this. Else means we have lowercase English letter from A to Z. Okay, S consists only of lowercase English letters. Then simply append to the string builder. Okay, so you have to use a string builder and you have to simply use if else statements. Okay, so now you can pause the video and try to solve this question by your own. Okay, and now I'm moving to the solution part. Okay, so here you can use if else, or you can also use this switch case statements. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm creating my string builder. Okay, so I'm iterating over all the characters in my string, right? And then I'm going to check the current character. Okay, so if it is star, okay, then we have, what we have to do, we have to delete the last character. Okay, so first, in order to do that, we have to make sure that there are some characters in the my string builder. Okay, so here I'm doing result dot length greater than 0. Okay, if this is true, then result, okay, my string builder dot delete character at this position. Okay, result dot length -1, right? Then we have to break. Okay, so if we are executing this, then we don't need to check any other case. Okay, same way, if this is a hashtag, okay, then we have to just whatever the current string builder, in that just simply append it itself. Okay, so duplicate current content. Okay, then we have to break it. Okay, then if present symbol is there, then we have to reverse our string builder. Okay, reverse the current string, break it. Okay, and by default, what we need to do, default means we have characters, lowercase characters A to Z, then we have to just simply append these to our result. Okay, append the regular characters. Okay, then break it, and in the end we have to just simply return this result string builder, just convert it to string. Okay, we have to return the string, and this is going to give us the perfect output. Okay, what we need. So I hope that you guys are clear with this question number 1, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.